In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to eBay for a quick setup on your desktop. There are a few simple steps you need to follow to ensure that your eBay payouts arrive smoothly and securely into your desired bank account. First, you need to log into your eBay account. You can do this by heading over to the eBay website and entering your username and password. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the My eBay section, or alternatively, you could go directly to the Seller Hub. These options are found in the menu, making them easy to locate. Once you're in the appropriate section, you'll need to look at the top menu where you will see an option labeled Payments. Click on that. Now that you're in the Payments section, you should see an option for bank accounts, or it might alternatively be labeled as Add Edit Bank Account. Choose this option so you can proceed with linking your bank account. Next, click on Add Bank Account. This is where you'll need to input your bank details. It's important to have this information ready so you can fill it in accurately. You will be asked to provide your bank name, the type of account you have, whether it's checking or savings, your routing number if you're in the US, and finally, your account number. Ensure all these details are entered correctly to avoid any issues with future transactions. After entering your bank details, eBay might request that you verify your ownership of the account. There are typically two ways they go about this. The first method involves confirming small test deposits, which may take about 1 to 2 business days to appear in your account. This method requires a bit of patience. On the other hand, some users might have the option to log in securely with their online banking credentials for an instant verification process. This option, if available in your country, can be more convenient as it allows for immediate confirmation. Once your bank account is successfully verified, eBay will begin to send your payouts directly to the account you have linked. This ensures that all your earnings from sales made on eBay are deposited securely and without any further hassle. Following these steps will streamline your payment process on eBay, providing peace of mind that your transactions will proceed smoothly from here on out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide to be straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.